Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. I had a bad breath that even my partner annoyed him, and with this remedy he eliminated it in 5 minutes. The essential thing about our oral health is proper hygiene. It is quite embarrassing to have a bad breath, and it can even bother your partner. Unfortunately, many people worldwide deal with bad breath even though they try a lot of methods to get rid of it. This is why we are going to present you the most effective solution which will help you get rid of bad breath in no time. There are a lot of factors that cause bad breath, such as fungus, bacterium, indigested food, etc. This wonderful remedy will definitely help you eliminate this issue in just 5 minutes, and the best part is that it is very simple to prepare and it is quite practical. Remedy for bad breath. Besides being beneficial for bad breath, it will also help you whiten your teeth, clean your mouth and enjoy pure and refreshing breath every second of the day. Ingredients: the juice of 2 lemons, a cup of warm water, 1/2 tablespoon cinnamon powder, a spoonful of honey, a spoonful of baking soda. Preparation: in a clean container, add the cinnamon, honey and the lemon juice. After that, pour warm water and add some baking soda in the mixture. Store the mixture in a bottle in order to be able to shake it well. This miraculous homemade solution can be used as a mouthwash, so you can rinse your mouth with 1 or 2 tablespoons of it by gargling them before ejecting. When it comes to honey and cinnamon, they have potent antibacterial properties, while on the other hand, bicarbonate has whitening properties and lemon provides a refreshing and clean breath.